All right, good morning and welcome to this video course tutorial. My name is Rafael, and in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to enable your external speaker with VSDC. Yes, it took me a while before I was able to actually rectify this, and I know a lot of people are actually going through it because while I was doing research on how I can actually do it, I couldn't see it until I started doing troubleshooting on myself. And I see a lot of people asking questions. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can connect your external speaker. If it is not connected, or rather if it is not enabled, there is no way after recording, you are not going to hear the sound of the recorded video. The recording will be perfect, but there will be no audio. Okay, so these are the things you'll be doing. This is the number one thing you must do before doing any other troubleshooting in case yours is not showing. Okay, so let me show you. Let me bring up the active presenter, the VSDC that I'm using. This is the VSDC that I'm using, the software that I'm using. By the way, this is a powerful free software that I can actually use to record your courses either on laptop or your desktop screen. So the first thing you need to do after the installation, what happens is this, and I highly recommend if the developer of this software can actually do this, I think it will be very, very helpful to some people who may have not known the idea. After the installation, the default setting is actually uncommon. Okay, and that is why after recording, everything will be fine. Your recorded video will be just fine, neat, but there will be no audio. It will not be audible, nothing like audio in it because it is uncommon. Okay, so what you need to do is to select this mixer. Once you select this mixer, then you come down here. You come down here. This one is unchecked. This one is unchecked when it's uncommon. That after the installation, what you are going to see is common. This is what you are going to see. Common is the default setting. So all you need to do is change it to this mixer. Then you come down here. This one that is unchecked, check it. Then this one, check it. Okay. Once you check it, try recording with your VSDC. This is the number one thing you need to do. If you have done this thing properly, definitely it is going to start after your recording, you are definitely going to hear the audio. But in your case, if you did not hear the audio after this particular setting, which is not common, it is very rare for you to set it like this, to select your mixer and you did not hear the audio. If you didn't hear your own audio, you can actually do a few settings by right clicking this speaker icon. Okay, right click on it, then click on open sound setting. Right, once you click on open sound setting, it is going to bring you up to this place. Then you go down, check that the input of your the input here is actually selecting as your external speaker is actually the default. If it is not, just click on this drop down and select it, make it to be the default sound input. Okay, once that is done, you go down again. Once that is done and you check it didn't work, then come down again, click on this sound control panel. Okay, once you click on sound control panel, come here. In your own case, you are not going to see this, But it is not common. It is very rare that when you set your when you make your setting, when you select mixer as your default setting, I don't think you are going to go through all this troubleshooting again. But in case you select your mixer and you are still having issue hearing the audio, these are the things you are going to do. So once you come, you are not going to see this thing. Okay, this green icon will not be there because it is not. Once this green icon is there, definitely it's going to work. But in your own case, you are not going to see this green icon. You are going to see everything like this. What you need to do, click on this recording. Okay, then come down here. Then what you are going to see here, this green tick will not be there. This one will not be there. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to see where this my mouse is now. You are going to see a different, you are going to see this setup, but the default selected speaker is not going to be this. All you need to do is now you right click on this. What you are going to see when you right click is going to be enable, not disable. It is showing disabled because it is already enabled. So what you need to do is to right click on this guy, on this stereo mix, and you enable it. Click on OK, and this tick icon will appear. Okay, to appear on your this thing. And if you go back and check it, definitely it is going to start echoing the audio. Okay, these are the ways you can actually enable your external speaker to start using a VLC. Okay, then another thing I want to show you is actually on active presenter. Let me show you active presenter. I can actually enable the speaker setting on active presenter. What you need to do once you open your active presenter, remember these are the two powerful software that I use. I was using active presenter before I get to know about VSDC. So once you open your active presenter, you can see record screen at video. Okay, double click on it. You can see it is open now, right? Then click on this audio drop down. You can see, remember I'm using MU900. In your own case, you are going to see the name of your speaker, then select it. In default, what will be selected should be this microphone rated. That is your computer microphone. But if you are using external microphone, definitely you are going to see the name here. Okay, now select it to become the default of the speaker you are using. Automatically it will start recording. Okay, and if you want to use to record full screen, this is what you are going to click on. You can see record full screen. If you want to record a particular section of the screen, this is where what you are going to click. Once you click on this, then you select the place you are going to click on. If you want to use webcam, this is where you are going to click on this webcam. And once you are done setting all your this thing, then click on start recording, and your video will start recording. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do subscribe because I upload quality tutorial that actually help you. Once again, thank you and God bless you.